how to delete a Game Pass in Roblox. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a Game Pass so that it no longer shows up in games where you can accept donations like please donate. So this little Game Pass right here will no longer show up on my stand when I claim a stand. And if this video helps you, please consider giving a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, open up the Roblox app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone, and then select More in the bottom menu. Once in More, scroll down a little bit, select Create. And then once Create loads, select the three lines in the top left and select Creations. Under Creations, you'll see your place. If you have multiple places, select the place where you created the Game Passes. So select the place. Then once the place loads, select the three lines in the top left. Once you do that, in this menu right here under your place, scroll down under Monetization and select Passes. Now all we need to do is find the pass that we want to delete or remove and select it. Then once you have the pass open, select the three lines in the top left, select Sales, and then just toggle off Item for Sale. So select Save Changes. Once it says Pass updated successfully, you'd select the X in the top left. And now when I go into a game like Please Donate, and I go up to a stand and claim it, you can see that I currently have no Game Passes because I just deleted the one that I had. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.